everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I wanted to hop on here and chat with everybody and see how you're doing. Weekly check-in. Let me know what's up. I'm still slowly working on this shawl that has taken me quite a long time. I actually threw it in my WIP basket because new projects came up and I was just distracted. So here we are. I got really far on it though, and I'm going to finish soon and film a tutorial. It is super duper long, stretched out. I'll probably block it. I'm gonna stretch it and block it, and this is what it looks like so far. Super lovely. This yarn is from Leon Alexander. I know we talked about this in the past. Super beautiful shawl. It's a rectangular type of shawl, almost like a scarf, perfect for the fall, and it's got a lot of bright orange in it for the fall, which I'm really excited for. I'm ready for fall. You can see my squad is the Sanderson sisters. Feeling a little hocus pocusy 90s with the scrunchie today. Feeling a little ready for Halloween. Speaking of Halloween, have you started your Halloween projects? Let me know what you're working on. I have a nice, really pretty shawl. Actually, I released it last year. I should share it with all of you. It's like a spider web shawl. So cool, super gothic, and just really fabulous for sitting next to a campfire and just, I don't know, I'm ready for the campfires, the Ugg boots, the flannels, the pumpkin spice, all of it. And for a lot of you, school has started, so congratulations to everybody starting their new school year. I know right now it's really an unknown time. A lot of people are starting with a social distancing semester and staying home and learning through Zoom calls and videos, and it's a lot to deal with. So I hope that everything goes well for all of you starting your new school year. But Nasser is still a baby and I don't have to deal with that yet, but my day will come where I'll be sending my little one off to kindergarten. I know it. He is so cute. Oh my gosh. So he's running all over the place. That's all he ever does now. Once he's awake, he is zooming all around the house. He's zooming at the park. Yesterday I took him to the park, and if you follow me on Snapchat or on Instagram, you'll see in my stories this kid, I put videos of him all the time, of him just running everywhere, and he just has a blast, and it helps because he slept all night last night, which I'm really grateful for, because then I get a lot of sleep, and then I feel like $1,000,000 the next day. And I was talking to Nate the other day, and I was like, you know what, once you have a child, you will be tired for the rest of your life. And it's true, but that's why they make coffee for us to keep going. So I'm really grateful for my morning cup of joe. But yeah, Nasser is just running constantly, and he's doing really well. So I wanted to let you guys know that next week, Wednesday, I am not going to be doing a video. I will probably send out a newsletter. Make sure to sign up for my newsletter. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can just click that link, sign up for the newsletter, because next week, Wednesday, I won't be doing a WIP Wednesday video. I'll be doing a WIP Wednesday newsletter. So make sure to sign up because I won't be home next week. Nasser and I are going to my parents' house, his Grammy and Grampy's house, and we are going to stay there for a few days. I am not sure if we will have time to film with my dad, but we shall see. We're gonna be pretty busy just taking care of Nasser, running around, and his cousins will be there too. So I'm super excited to see them, and Nasser will just be able to play with his cousins. They live on the whole other side of the state, so it's really a rare time that Nasser gets to hang out with the cousins, so it's gonna be really fun. So no video next week for WIP Wednesday update, but I will update you in an email if you sign up for my newsletter. Also, I wanted to let you know that I did create the event for this month, and not very many people have joined yet, so I'm not sure if you guys knew, but I am hosting the 24-hour pet party on August 31st. Is that Sunday? August 31st? I think so. My calendar is in my camera, which is in my phone, which is right there. So I think it's August 31st, 24 hours of pet crocheting. So we're going to crochet things for our fur babies, and it's going to be, you know, pet sweaters and pet beds. I know that cat couch is super popular right now. Also, things for toys for your pets and things like that. So if you have a pet and want to crochet something cute for them, make sure to join the 24-hour pet party. I will try to release a new pattern, and we'll have so much fun playing all the games and checking in, and I will go live and chat with all of you. I mean, it's just a fun time. So, and it's only 24 hours. It's not a weekend event. Usually I do weekend events Saturday, Sunday, but this one is just a 24-hour Sunday event, and it's at your comfort of your own home, so you can just stay home and hang out online with us in the event. So where do you find the event? It's in the group on Facebook, YARNutopia World. Okay, so go to YARNutopia World, go to the events tab, hit 24-hour pet party, and click join or interested to get the updates. So there's that. Like I said, I'm going to do a WIP Wednesday newsletter and no video next week, so I won't be here. And also, another thing, I wanted to let you know that occasionally I am going to be sharing all of your work. If you share your work on my, like a picture of your finished projects using my patterns, if you share them to my Facebook page, this is YARNutopia by Nadia Fuad Facebook page. If you share a photo of your work, I will occasionally share work of yours, fan work, yes, and share appreciation posts of yours. So make sure to share your photos to the wall of the Facebook page for YARNutopia by Nadia Fuad, because I love seeing your hard work and doing my patterns, and it's so much fun to just share in the community. So share your work to my Facebook page. Last Friday was Free Pattern Friday, and I sent out the email really late in the day, so I extended it to the Sunday, which a lot of you had downloaded the PDF, so I'm really glad you guys got the Wrapped in Jewels shawl. If you did not get my Free Pattern Friday, make sure to sign up for my newsletter. Again, I send out once a month. You can get a free pattern of mine as a PDF digital download, so it's ad-free. You can download it into your computer or device and save it forever. So I do that once a month on a Friday of my choosing. So September is coming, so make sure to sign up for the newsletter so you can get my Free Pattern Friday in September and every month after. This morning I shared, and for the past few days I've been sharing link from my friend Nikki over at Nikki's Homemade Crafts. She is releasing, or she has released, this amazing course. It has 48 videos to help you. It has guides, it has instructions, it has so many pages of more than 300 tips and tricks to use in crochet, okay? I mean, this is worth like probably hundreds of dollars, I don't know, but it's only $24.99 right now. $24.99 for all of this chock full of information that you can get for crochet, to expand your crochet knowledge, to make life easier and quicker with crochet. You can crochet so much faster and your work will be so much neater if you use these tips and tricks. So I'm going to put a link to that guide and that course for you to get. It's only like a 5-day offer though. Once it's gone. You won't be able to get it. So make sure to grab it before it's gone, and you can, yeah, get all these tips and tricks. This guide is amazing. There's so many tips. Even I've been crocheting for years now, and even I learned something new. So make sure to check it out. That's 300 plus tips and tricks guide from Nikki's Homemade Crafts. She's amazing, and she put so much effort into this thing. $24.99, that's such a deal. It's literally a steal. It's awesome. So make sure you check that out. And lastly, well, I think that's everything I wanted to talk about. I have a list here. I always keep a notebook of things I want to talk about, and that's really everything. This weekend I have plans to get my hair done because it's getting a little frizzy, and I'm just going to do a treatment on it and hopefully get it healthier. And then I'm going to next week go to my parents' house for a few days, bring Nasser with me, he'll play with the cousins, it'll be a lot of fun. And I'm just ready for fall. Who's with me? I just love apple cider, pumpkin spice everything. I'll even have pumpkin spice things in the summertime. I don't even care. I love it so much. So I'm excited for the fall and winter and just all the crochet projects I can make and share with all of you. Oh, it's gonna be great. Oh, and September is right around the corner, which means my collaboration is coming out. I cannot wait to announce it to all of you. I'm talking to the other artist on Monday, and we are going to make a plan on what we're going to do, how we're going to release this to you guys. You guys are just, I don't know if you're ready for it. It's awesome. It is so exciting. It's I mean, I've never done something like this before, so it's going to be a learning curve for me, but also great for all of you. It's gonna be just so much fun, and I cannot wait to share this new collaboration with all of you and what we're going to do together. So stay tuned for September. It's gonna be amazing. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. Let me know what you're working on, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, a safe weekend, and I'll be seeing you in 2 weeks from now, but stay tuned for my newsletter next week, Wednesday. I will update you on a few things in that email. So make sure to sign up for my email newsletter, and I'll just see you then in 2 weeks. So I'll see you guys later. Happy crocheting, happy hooking, and yeah, bye for now.